Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade plans in Netflix. So if you want to upgrade your plans in Netflix, here is a quick guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to Netflix, sign into your account, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Once you do that, scroll down to the plan details section, then click on change plan. Once you click on the change plan, choose the plan you want to upgrade to on Netflix. And also Netflix offers several options including standard and premium plan. So if you want to, you can just continue with that. So once you finalize the decision, just click on continue, then confirm changes to finalize your upgrade. Then right from there, your new plan will be effective immediately. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.